currently at Grand Dunes. This is one of my favorite developments anywhere on the beach. And the reason why is because they have tons of resort amenities. They do not allow short-term rental. All the elevators open up straight into the corridor of your unit, but they're all designed like beach homes because the people that are here are second home and full-time residents.
Awesome. Well, let's go for a tour.
Check it out. We came through the lobby. Y'all didn't see the lobby. It's like you see it afterwards. But what's cool about here, you have a service elevator here. So anytime you're wanting to do any of your moving and stuff like that, pets, stuff like that, you take this elevator here, your guest maybe. And then you have these semi-private elevators. There's 3 parking garages in here, which is awesome. And so you just pull up to what elevator shaft you're in.
Oh,
this
nice.
one works the 50 and 40 stack. There's only 4 units per floor. The other one works the 30 and 20 stack, and depending on where you are, it's never crowded because it's a second home or primary residence. You just pull up, they got grocery carts, you got your stuff right here, you hop on your elevator, it takes you straight into the corridor of your unit. So if you want to see people, you can. If you don't want to see people, it's extremely exclusive, which is great.
And if we have groceries in the car, we just call you to just bring them up.
Well, my son and I actually did the staircase of the day of 23 flights of stairs, and let me tell you, I was burning.
Nice. Wow.
So today is about seeing the best views in Destin. Have we managed that today, Sean?
Yeah, I have goosebumps. I mean, this is no lie. Look.
Wow, look at that. So between the 1998, which has a phenomenal view, we're here in the west corner penthouse at Grand Dunes. This is actually the second tower, which I love because you're above the front tower, but you have this like larger panoramic that, I mean, on a clear day, you can see down to Navarre, and you really have from here, from Panama City Beach to Navarre, you can see.
Wow.
It's unbelievable. And at night, this is all lit up. You have tons of stuff to look at. You see the sunsets and the sunrise.
Remind me of the name of this building.
This is Edgewater.
Yeah,
There's another
okay.
replica of it on the French Riviera where the end units have the big kind of balcony space. It looks like steps.
I
from the
showed a
side.
unit in there about a year ago, and I'm like, that looks so familiar.
This is the Crescent right there, which is
Okay.
a great spot. Surfside.
Fitting shape. Yeah, Nathan was telling me about the game that him and his dad play, naming the condos before you get to them as you're driving down the road.
Yep.
And sure knows his condos.
And you can stand up here and you can name them
Building
from,
names.
You can even go further. You said, let me name the condos from Okaloosa Island all the way down. You can see them from different perspectives, from the sky, the water, or the car.
Man, I can only imagine this view on a crystal clear day. We got some fog, a little bit of haze, but you can still see really far. This is absolutely stunning.
The sunset and at night is on a different level here as well.
But straight ahead, we're still getting those crystal clear turquoise waters that we've had all day today. Yeah. Can I show this person?
Sure. This is Kiwi,
Hey,
an
Kiwi.
Australian Shepherd. She runs the house.
Well, just like scuba diving, I'm getting only the butts of the animals. Have you ever done that? You try and take pictures of fish while you're scuba diving, and all you get is their fins, their tails?
Yeah.
Anyways, Nathan, I know Alice is somewhere around here, but on behalf of both of us, let's see, she's probably, hey, there she is. Thank you so much for spending the day with us and showing us all around town and giving us all this rich history of your family and the city.
Yeah,
Loving
it's
it.
just
Loving it.
been a great journey as a native to this coast, and it's the best part is sharing ideas and with great real estate agents like Sean and Alice here. So that's what it's about.
All right, you guys, thanks for watching this series, and who knows, maybe we'll get some more in the future. We'll catch you on the next one.